guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're on the job site with Mighty Machines. Look at this small Mighty machine. What a hard-working bulldozer. What a big bulldozer. Look, rubble is inside. He's working hard on the job site.
Back it up!
Wow, look at this Mighty machine. It's a small forklift. Look at this small front loader. He's such a mighty machine. Wow, look at this small dump truck. It's a strong, mighty machine.
Back it up!
Oh no! The small dump truck has been buried by the big dump truck. Let's help save him. Our excavator is doing an excellent job. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.